Ready for movie night and your Hisense TV or Hisense Smart TV won't turn on? It's a common snag that can disrupt your plans, but there's no need to worry. Today, I'll guide you through easy steps that work for both Hisense TVs and Hisense Smart TVs, helping fix a device that just doesn't seem to respond. Stick with me to the end of this video, and you're likely to find a solution that will get your TV up and running in no time. Let's tackle this problem together and get you back to your favorite shows. First up, let's keep things straightforward with a basic power reset. Unplug your Hisense TV from the electrical outlet. It's crucial to give it a full minute of rest, about 60 seconds, before you plug it back in. This simple action does more than just turn your TV off and on. It helps to flush out any temporary glitches in the system. Many TV issues are caused by minor software errors that a quick reset can resolve. Remember, this is a quick and often effective fix that many overlook, so give it a try first. If your TV still doesn't turn on, here's something else to try. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button. You'll find the button either directly below the Hisense logo at the center or on the right-hand side of the frame. Keep holding it down for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial as it might clear out deeper electronic glitches. After you release the button, wait another minute. Now plug your TV back in and press the power button once more to see if it turns on. This extended reset can often resolve more persistent issues. Next up, we need to ensure there's nothing wrong with the power supply itself. Start by checking your wall outlet. Plug in a different device, like a lamp or a phone charger, to see if it works. If there's no power from the outlet, you might need to check your circuit breaker or try another outlet. Once you've confirmed the outlet is good, take a close look at your TV's power cord. Are there any bends, frays, or loose connections? These can often be overlooked, but are frequent causes of power issues. Make sure the cord is securely connected both to your TV and the power outlet. Now, let's turn our attention to the remote control. It could be behind the issue with your TV not turning on. Begin by replacing the batteries in the remote, as this is a common fix and often overlooked. If new batteries don't resolve the issue, the next step is to check the functionality of the TV itself. Locate the power button on your TV, which is either positioned directly below the Hisense logo at the center or hidden on the right-hand side. Press this button to see if the TV powers on. This step helps us determine whether the problem lies with the remote or the TV itself. If the TV turns on using this button, the issue is likely with the remote. However, if there is still no response, the problem may be with the TV. Still facing issues? It's time to consider a factory reset. This step is crucial as it will erase all your current settings and return the TV to its original state, so make sure you've backed up any important information if possible. To perform a factory reset, locate a small hole on the back or side of your TV, usually labeled Reset. Gently insert the end of a straightened paper clip into the hole and press firmly for about 15 seconds. You should feel a slight click as you press down. Hold until the TV shuts off and restarts, signaling that the reset is complete. This could resolve even the most persistent software glitches. That's it for this video on fixing your Hisense TV. I hope one of the steps I shared today helped get your TV running again. If you managed to fix your TV, or if you found another solution that worked, please drop a comment below. I'd love to see what worked for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.